Alright guys, so today we're going to be changing the engine air filter on a 2020 Chevy 2500. There's the hours and mileage. We're changing the air filter on this truck. It's got a 6.6 liter gas motor and it's got 11,000 miles on it, but the meter's down to like 35% or something. So the dealer said it was dirty. We're going to go ahead and change it early. This is the part number for the 6.6. So let's get this box opened up and get started. Alright, so here's the new air filter straight from GM. It's an ACDelco. Shows you the part number. Looks very similar to the Duramax, which is also a 6.6 liter. And I don't know, I'll have to cross-reference the part number, but looks very similar. Alright, let's get the old one out. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and pop the hood here on this 2020 2500 with the 6.6 gas motor, which it's not the L8T, that's the diesel. I'm trying to remember what the name of this motor is. It's L8T maybe? LGM, L8T, I think it's L8T. Anyway, regardless, here's the air filter, air filter enclosure. And as you can see, there's a number of Phillips head screws that you have to remove, which you can also remove with, I believe, an 8mm. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or so bolts. So I'm going to go ahead and get those out, and we'll swap this filter out. And just for reference, guys, I'm using a 1-foot extension from Milwaukee to do this, and I'd rather have the socket, but I'll take the Alright, so now I got all 8 bolts out. I'm going to go ahead and just, all you got to do is lift up this enclosure and pull this whole filter out. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Well, it's not too dirty. It's got 11,000 miles on it, which I think is a little premature for replacement. However, I notice on my Duramax I'm going to get like maybe 25,000 on a standard replacement, but this, for whatever reason, has dropped down a little bit quicker. Let's go ahead and get that out of here. Get the new one in. All right, just like that, I dropped the new filter in, and all you got to do is go ahead and line up the bolts and tighten them down. I'm sure there's a torque value, but I'm just going to go ahead and tighten them down to what I think is reasonable. Thanks for watching, guys.